If you're looking to capture leads from online directories, Browse AI is the software you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll dive into how you can leverage Browse AI to automate your lead capture from directories, saving you time while boosting your results. With Browse AI, you can easily extract lead data from online directories, whether it's contact information, emails, phone numbers, or any other details you need. It's perfect for businesses that rely on directory listings, but want a smarter, faster, and more automated way of gathering leads. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use Browse AI. The software's interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. In fact, setting it up for the first time takes just a few minutes. When you first sign up for Browse AI, you can use its point-and-click feature to teach the software exactly what data you want to capture. It's as simple as pointing to a piece of information on a web page, and Browse AI will figure out how to scrape it for you. Whether you're pulling email addresses from a directory, contact forms, or business names and locations, Browse AI is versatile and works with virtually any online directory. Once you've set up your scraping bot, Browse AI automatically goes to work, pulling in fresh leads whenever you need them. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to build a list of prospects from multiple directories without spending hours manually copying and pasting data. With Browse AI, it's all done for you. Another incredible feature is the ability to export the data in various formats, whether you prefer CSV files for spreadsheets or JSON files for other purposes. This makes integrating your leads with your CRM or email marketing tools a breeze. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Browse AI isn't just about scraping data from online directories. You can also use it to automate workflows, track competitors, monitor prices, and gather data from across the web. So, it's a versatile tool that can serve a wide range of purposes for any business involved in online marketing. To get started with Browse AI, simply head over to the link in the description below. You can use it completely free, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get access to an extended free trial that gives you full access to all the features, so you can see exactly how it can help you capture leads from online directories like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use Browse AI to capture leads from directories, but you'll also have the knowledge to integrate this tool into your business strategy. Don't miss out. Grab your exclusive free trial and start automating your lead capture today.